So today I'm just gonna be showing you some of my newest fidgets, and I'm very sorry for not posting a lot, so I'm gonna be posting just today. I will show you my first fidget that I got. So this is the first one that I got. I already opened it in the car, so it's like a stress ball. It's color changing when you squish it. It's very nice. The color is orange, and then the color it turns into is pink or red. I don't know that color, but yeah. Let me open this is the next one. Let me just get my scissors. Okay, so I got my scissors. Let me just open it. Okay, so I opened it. Now I have a Among Us puppet. It's really nice, kind of hard, but it's very nice. It's so cool. This is the easy side. It's so nice actually, and it's very satisfying. Next one that I choose is this blue flower puppet, so let's open it. Here it is. It's kind of small but very nice, very pretty. And since I love the color blue, I choose this color. Then let me just open my new square. So this is my square puppet. It's actually small, so it's like a mini pocket. So yeah, this is just gonna be a kind of quick video, and this is the easy side. Whoops. I shall post a new video. So yeah, so these are all the things that I got. Comment down below which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and I'm truly sorry for not posting a lot because I was busy on my exams. Bye.